Hello viewers. Today, we are going to cover the 5 best beef jerky on Amazon in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is Jack Link's beef jerky variety. One thing is certain, meat consumption has never been more convenient, tasty, or healthy. Even though there is a bit of raw materials available here, the meat itself comes from real cows, so they can be deposited in its authenticity. To ensure that many flavors are an integral part, this option, which technique is used in meat, is not only of a kind. It is boiled, but also smoked hardwood can really draw the taste. No wonder that this product can display a salty, light, smoky flavor like no other. Based on this alone, it is very easy to forget that this is a salty snack. As there are 2 variants available in a packet, the original and teriyaki flavor. With the original, ready for a smoky wood flavor with a hint of garlic. On the other hand, teriyaki flavor, of course, has teriyaki at the top. There is also a little ginger, soy, meat smoky flavor with a hint of onion. This you surely come back for more, which is fine as it is very healthy. There are 14 grams of protein per serving, and best believe all the amino acids needed are available. Unequal even happens I have to be without any GMS, synthetic nitrites, and other harmful additives which represent a concern. Jerky Jack Link is a great product as everything. Number 2. Our second best pick is Epic Provisions grass-fed venison jerky. Get ready to enjoy a higher caliber of taste. Venison is strong in general taste, but if the tooth is driven, you will be itching to get your hands in another package. 10 strips are obtained in a single package, all with treated to retain salt and pepper, the natural flavor of the meat. These strips come venison purely grass-fed, giving a richer and more supply while keeping texture as organic as possible. You can also decide on the use of each of its 4 different flavors. Who spoke on customer feedback? Hi, we went with salt and pepper classic. If you bring this to a party, as an inauguration gift, it will not last more than 5 minutes. Number 3. Our third best pick is Original Beef Jerky by Country Archer. It will be difficult to get something as gourmet as the original meat jerky Archer Country when it comes to dry meat. The packaging of this certification of the quality of the product inside. But can you really judge this book by its cover? You can be assured with a variety of goods, ingredients inside, this is definitely one of the best options in the market. This is not to contain any of these products, a long list of ingredients you cannot pronounce, or even better, some to Google. For most of them there is no 100% grass-fed beef in the foreground. Some other key players fail: gluten-free tamari soybean salsa, organic brown sugar, pineapple juice, and liquid smoke. Is there a handful of others, but believe the best that they are so healthy and honest as this would be available to know here. Consumers' meat option is also uneven gluten-free nitrate and message. In addition, the beef is empty of any hormones or antibiotics. This is a good, clean treatment that is ideal for people who are dieting. The paleo and keto diet is this option capable of dried meat in particular. It contains about 70 calories, 11 grams of protein is extremely low, which is nice and high, and 1 gram of fat per 1 ounce serving. The real deal here is that it is dry, a tasty selection of meat, carefully done to ensure that consumers have a great advantage of $1 and more. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Calorie Useless Bo People's Choice Beef Jerky. In the field of dried meat, the choice of the people is like a sweet, to try a delicious dessert similar. It packs a lot of spices, but also has a touch of sweet orange and honey sitting on the tongue after the bite happens. Zero message, no preservatives, no cured, more than adequate and crafted American meat dry. This brand was the creation of this fantastic gift since before the Great Depression, and still going strong after nearly perfecting a century of his craft. They do not believe you should regulate in thin pieces, crummy beef jerky, so that thick gets stripped in a pocket of a strong pound. To repeat, pick snacks. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Country Archer 100% grass-fed beef jerky. Going organic is not as expensive as you might think. For a standard price, all other dried meat standard as grass-fed beef and anything but. It has been shown that animals fed grass contain higher concentrations of omega-3 fatty acids, by things, and complete the human supplements. A great mix of protein and especially fat-free experience is obtained and a richer flavor of a higher cut of beef. Well, if you think that Archer Country is non-traditional beef jerky, just think that it was hundreds of years ago, and grab a bite. A simple list of ingredients, gourmet flavor and tenderness with spices you will not be able to stop thinking. And a perfect last-minute Christmas gift for your loved ones. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.